Hey, so in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how using OpenOS you can perform data analysis. So for this video, I'm going to focus a little bit on how you can use OpenOS to either query data or create dashboards. So today, if you need some data that resides on your backend for which you don't have a dashboard, you usually end up going to your developers or your data analysts, right? And after that, they write SQL to query that data from your database and give that information to you. Now, using OpenOS, you don't need to do that. What you can do is just come in, type get data, and after that, write your query. The same way you would perhaps send your Slack message to your data analyst or developer in terms of the data you need, you just type that in over here. So let's say I type in this one, number of employees in each country. Now, this is with the assumption that I've connected, let's say, an HR platforms database, and they would have employees and they would have a country selection as well. Then I press enter. After this, what's going to happen? It's going to convert this natural language query into SQL, as you can see it has done over here. And after that, it's going to output the data. This happens in real time in terms of that your data is up to date within a matter of seconds. After you get this data, you can export it to CSV or to Excel and then analyze it or share it further. Now, the second part of it is, let's say you want to create a dashboard. So similarly, today your workflow would be that you'll send your developer or your analyst, these are the columns of data that you want, and this is the rows in terms of information that you need. After that, your analyst will again write SQL or Python and create that dashboard for you. This could be whether it's on, could be on AppSmith or Retool or natively on your backend as well. Now, instead, what you can do using OpenOS is just upload that Excel in terms of this is the column of information I need. These are the rows of information I need. You can do that over here. So once you upload it, similarly to how we did the natural language to SQL, the platform understands what data you're looking for. After that, when you come into the platform, you can type in create report. So as you can see, there are a set of pre-made reports, and if you upload any, that those would show up here as well. So let's just give one example. Let's say I want to look at user acquisition, and I press enter. So now, basically, what I had given the platform was I want to see user acquisition by source, and these were the different categories I've given it. I also want to see the growth percentage, and I want to see it by month, right, over time. So now, when I ran this command, it basically populated the data, the real time data, in the different columns and rows of information I needed. And again, I have the option to either download it or send it towards my Excel or Google Sheets as well. So this is how you can reduce the reliance on developers and analysts in terms of just querying data or creating various dashboards that you need. In other videos, I've shown a little bit more of the predictive analysis and marketing analysis part, which you can go into and have a look at as well.